and I'm just going to start this video off by showing y'all the dresses that didn't cut it. I did not like these dresses, especially this one, high-low for prom, negative. This one I liked, but it didn't have a slit and it wasn't long enough, so irrelevant. This one I just tried on for fun. It was real pretty. I like the little floof at the bottom and the jewels. This one made me look like old maid. No further comments. And this one, I like this one with the titties out and the slit, but I don't like how the top is like a halter top or whatever, so that was a no. This one I also like, but I didn't like how the belt was. I just really didn't like the belt, but the train was cute, but it made my ass look flat, so that was definitely a no.
So it's week before prom. I don't know what I'm wearing. I haven't drawn anything out. I literally just purchased damn fabric today. It's just a hot mess. I think I'm just gonna start by drawing it out so I can at least know and get my measurements and everything. Here's my little rough sketch design of my dress that I drew a few days ago. So basically it's pretty simple. I just want a little v-neck that comes in at the waist with a little slit, and then the little train that trails off. I don't know if I want it ruffled or not, and I drew these little dummies over here for my measurements.
4 to 6 days later.
I just woke up from a nap, so excuse me if my eyes are a little dead and cross-eyed. As you may or may not have read from the title, I am going to be making my prom dress 24 hours before prom starts. Right now it's 8:09. I was supposed to start at 8 because my prom started at 8, but you know, I'm a little procrastinator, so I started a little bit late. Today I just finished getting my other products like the scissors, the ruler, the thread, the zipper, the holding pin, stuff like that. But a few days ago I got the fabric, which is royal blue.
Okay, so baby, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't have a lot of time to, you know, vocalize what I was doing, but y'all can see what I'm doing. I just laid it out. It took me a little bodysuit that fit me pretty well. I folded it in half, then placed it on the fabric, you know, you feel me? Then I cut it out, and then I guess I come back when something else happened. That's what I'm saying. At this point, I was so over it. I know I just started like 55 seconds ago, but like my back was hurting. I was hungry, I was tired, I was annoyed, and had like no. To start off my sewing, I started with the boob pieces, which was a total of 4 triangles that I sewed together in a way so we could have a split down the middle. But I ended up having to redo it like 3 or 4 times. It would not fit at all, and I had to redo it. Even the ending part of the dress, the cleavage was out. She was showing, she was here, and I was here for it. I don't care, my body, period.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Right here is the progress of my dress, and you know, it ain't that bad, but I'm working on the straps of the dress, you know, that lace up in the back, which had to be like 2 yards long, maybe. I don't really know, but I just know that I had to do a whole lot of sewing, and then I used the safety pin method. It's currently the day of prom. Okay. My dress isn't finished and apparently it's too inappropriate, so I have to change it. Perfect. Yeah, don't mind my hair. I literally just woke up. I have to finish my dress. I have to get my makeup. I gotta alter my dress. I gotta do my hair. Cause like I'm doing everything so last minute. I was supposed to do the hair last night, but child, I don't even want to go no more. I really just only wanted to go to see if I can make my own dress. So the progress with the dress isn't that bad, but I don't really know what to call it. The only reason why I woke up this early on the weekend is because I have to go to my job. I gotta be there at 9 o'clock. And then when I get back, I guess we just gonna try to get everything done. I don't even know what my makeup look is gonna be like, honestly. But we just gonna figure that out. So I guess I'll see you guys later.
Later.
We are in the final moments of the dressmaking process in a few hours before my prom starts. Instead of sewing, I decided to use the iron-on tape so it didn't have to be any raw edges sticking out and it could just be seamless. It seemed like the smarter thing to do, so that's what I did. I guess we're starting on my hair. I really don't feel like wearing a whole cap. And since this is a wig and it's only gonna be on for one night, I'm just gonna put my hair in a little ponytail in the back, let the comb clip onto it. Ooh, she leaning. Oh well. But yeah, my face is greasy right now because I just shaved my mustache and eyebrows. And I just put some ointment over it. So we're good. So right now it's 3:15. Prom starts at 7. We're going out to eat to Longhorn, which I never ate there before, but I guess we're gonna see if it's a bop or a flop.
Ain't nobody read it though. Put me back on it.
Hold up.
Girl, you're so fucking nice. Honey, I was gonna do it.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video, and this is my dress, which I only got a few videos of because we were literally at prom for like 30, maybe 25 minutes. But yeah, prom was pretty lame actually. I know you heard that family reunion music that it was playing in the background. And this little yellow dress was my after party dress, and that's all folks. See you on the next one.